Hi everyone, it's Stacey from the YMCA. Today we're going to be making crunchy pizza cakes from our Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities curriculum developed by the Michigan Fitness Foundation. Who doesn't love pizza, right? So today we're going to make a healthy pizza. So to do that, we're going to add all of these different fruits and vegetables on top of our pizza. To start, you're going to get a mini bagel, add some pizza sauce. Just a little bit of pizza sauce will do. Then we're going to add mozzarella cheese. On top of our mozzarella cheese, we're going to add red and green diced peppers, a little bit of onion, grated carrots. The more colorful our pizza, the better. Yellow delicious pineapple, and red tomatoes. And there you go. Now you have a delicious, healthy pizza. Remember, the more fruits and vegetables we can eat, the better. I hope you guys enjoy your healthy pizza cake. Thank you all for watching. Bye.